Happy pancake day with a twist. I am making green smoothie pancakes, or Shrek pancakes if you're trying to fob them off to your children. These are made with oats, banana, egg, cottage cheese, spinach, and almond milk. So, you know, the first pancake always goes in the bin, but not with these green ones. Look at this. Gotta get the stack. I just realised you can't flip these, so I can't look really cool because you actually have to go in there with a spatula. I'm not even using any fat in this pan. It's just, well, they're just not sticking. How big can you make a pancake stack without it falling over? The perfect pancake stack. I've added blueberries at the bottom for colour, and now I'm going to add a tablespoon of full fat Greek yogurt, and for fun, crushed dragon fruit. Children love this. You can see on my link in bio where I buy this one from. And you sprinkle that on top and it just gives it the most gorgeous, sweet, beautiful taste. The recipe is in the link in bio, and don't forget to follow.